All right, welcome back here to Surplus Systems. This is Charlie here, and in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how I use automation in the system itself. All right. So first thing I like to do personally is I like to come here to more filters, and then I like to look up contact, and then I like to do clients first. And I like to save that as a smart list, and I save that as client, and then I save that, and then I like to do it again. But this time I like to do it for relatives. Okay. Okay. So now when I'm able to work my leads, I'm gonna click here on clients. So you see it's 34. Okay. So I'm gonna select my clients here. I'm gonna add them to a workflow. I'm gonna click OK to proceed. And then for here, I'm gonna put RD1 because I am doing round one in the surplus. Okay. And then if I'm doing, let's say I'm doing Georgia, I put Georgia leads, and then I add them to automation. Okay. I'm gonna click out of here to the left. I'm gonna click here on Power Dialer, and it's gonna pull up my leads right here for me. Okay. All right. So what I'll do from here is I'm gonna click Let's Start, and then the system's gonna bring me into the dialer. Okay. Now, here's very important. If I speak to someone, I'm gonna choose complete, and then I'm gonna choose my disposition. And let's say an example, relative will not help. So I'm gonna do relative will not help, and then I click here, move on to the next lead. Now let's say I get a voicemail. I'm just gonna choose voicemail, and I'm gonna move on to the next lead because the system's gonna take care of everything else on the back end for me. Okay. Let's say I didn't get a voice, say it was a busy signal, a bad number. I'm just gonna choose busy, and I'm gonna move on to the next lead. Let's say I call, I'm not able to leave a voicemail. In that case, it's just no answer. I'm gonna just choose no answer and move over to the next lead. Okay. So here's why I want to show you this. A couple things. If I go to CRM, if I come into CRM and I click on last activity, it's going to show me the leads here. Okay. And if you see this lead was put on DNC. This lead automatically was updated to call it tip 1. Okay. This lead was automatically updated to call it tip 1. This lead was automatically updated to call it tip 1. Okay. Now let's find out what happened here. So if you look at this, you're going to be like, okay, you make the call, but no text message went out. Okay. Now, if I come here to notes, it's going to tell me exactly why. So let me come down here to contact. And as you can see, this lead do not have phone type, right? Because phone type missing and type of contact is missing. We don't know. But if you come down here to tags, okay. So if I hit notes here, you see right here, lead missing type of contact. So now if I come down here to contacts, I know the type of contact is missing. Okay. If I look at this lead, and let's see what we got here. Okay. Lead missing type of contact again. Okay. So if I come down here to contacts, type of contact is missing. Because this is missing, the system don't know if they want to send a text or not. Okay. So we tell you what's missing, and that's why nothing went out. Okay, let's pull up another lead that I just went through with you. Okay. And we come here to notes, missing type of contact again. So nothing, that's why nothing went out. Okay, let's take a look at this lead, and then I could just take a look at these details. It was an outbound call, but nothing happened. Okay. Because we don't know the phone type. There's no phone type, and there's no type of contact on this lead. But this is how the automation works. So as you can see, I was able to get through 4 or 5 phone numbers less than 3 to 4 minutes. Only time I need to stop and document that account is if I speak to someone and I choose completed call. As far as everything else, it's just automated. Okay, you just click. You're gonna click no answer, voicemail, busy, and you just move on to the next lead. Only time you don't move on to the next lead right away is if you speak to someone and you choose completed. All right. So this is how the automation works. And I hope this helps. Thanks.